How to create Payoneer account. So all you have to do is to simply go to any web browser, and then it's very easy to create a Payoneer account. You just have to simply type payoneer.com and you will see this homepage right here where all you have to do is to click register. So if you have an account, of course, you have to click sign in. So if you tap this register, and then you will have these choices on what account you want to open. Okay, so as you can see, if I tap this one, then I have here choices about the account type for my business needs. So I have here if I'm a freelancer, okay, agency, seller, provider, and whatsoever here. But I'm going to choose a freelancer or online, something like that. And then, for example, I receive monthly less than $10,000, and then click register. Okay, so you can read the following here, or you just have to tap this register here. So once you tap this register, then of course they will ask for some basic information in order for you to create your account. So we have here if you're individual or company, we have here your first name, your last name, email address, re-enter email address, date of birth. Okay, so once you have entered the information here, then what you want to do is to simply click next. But you must be very careful and you have to recheck your basic information here before you tap next. Okay, so let me re-enter and then my birth date. Okay, and then after that, I have to click this next. So next is, I think they would just ask for your ID and some basic information too. So as you can see, they will get some details about your country, your street number, okay, city, town. We have here your zip code, okay, and then of course, they will also ask for your number. And then after you input your phone number here, what you want to do next is to simply click this send code. And then after that, you have to input the code that they have sent to your phone number to verify that you're the one who's using this phone number. Okay, and then after that next, then we have here security details. Okay, enter password again, we enter password, security question, security answer, ID details. Okay, so we have here ID type and then ID number, date of expiration, click next, and then yes, almost done. All you have to do is simply confirm everything with your account. So once you're done with this, then you can now use your Payoneer account. So this is what Payoneer looks like once you have created your account or set up your account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.